Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November the 2nd. It's 8:08. It's a little bit earlier. The reason why it's early, I'm getting here a little bit early at 11:30. There's an FOMC statement. There's also the Fed fund rate coming out and a press release, press conference at 1:15. So I just wanted to get in here, look at the market a little bit earlier and then be done with it. Alright, well, what I see here is this pullback. Pullback here, we got up in this. That's good, and this band is up here. I'm going to do it as a limit order though. That's what I'm looking at right here. Okay, so now we're filled in. With 7 minutes before the market opens, we're looking at 370,000 on our daily volume. Market depth, though, about on par with this time of the morning, running around the 2,000 mark. So I want the BB there to stay on top of above the rail. If it gets if the rail goes through it, or it gets below the rail, then it's no good. You got the duck head here. You got straight triggers up here. You got they're up triggers, not strong. But the 2584 triggers are up as well, and they have reinforcement with them. And these triggers are turned up, so there's more up right this second. Alright, that's at the 100%. I like that. Good enough. I'd like to see a higher bar, higher close here. Back to tell you what. Go ahead, put that right there. See, you have this nice little flag going here. You see the same flag going here. Alright, higher bar, higher close. Let's see it again. I like this thing on the inside like this. This is good. Coming to this bottom band, or the band's coming up to the BB. That'll help give it support. This is cut in like this. Now this can push up. And the market's going to open here in just a second. There we go. Market is open. See if we can go ahead and get that thing to push on up there. Market opened with a daily volume around 386. Market depth now cranking up. Okay, remember this is a tick off my 100% extension here. That also is right up there around the top, the double top area. Okay, I want to pay close attention to this area right in here because we do have divergence there. Because of the divergence, I'll go ahead and click in right there. Now this is squeezing together here. This can get us a pop to the top. Look at that squeeze there. Wow. Okay, now as we get up to here, this 1235 area, this is the potential for a deep retracement. Okay, based off the pullback. We go from the tip here. It's 1235 still, so we're going to watch that carefully. What I really like though is this compression in here. This compression tends to have a popping effect. You got it now in two charts here and here. Okay, take one off because I got two now down there. Go ahead and close the other one, I believe. Actually, hold on a second. Let's see. We might save it. Now I'm going to take it out. I got this coming down. I got this one coming on down. Separation there. In fact, I'm starting now to look for a short even. I'll take that as a reversal right off of here. Give myself that extra little tick. But you've already got this down here. This one's moving down. This one, that separation can push on down. then if you look at the where to, alright, that's down at the 50. Okay. Okay, now what we want to see, this is good, this is good. We want to see this go ahead and lock on now. Actually, we've got the nice potential here for this one to come down to the bottom band as well. Very good. Alright, so this right here is looking good. Alright, we're on the rail. Coming down. We're breaking through here. Good. I want to start looking at okay, that's fine. Okay, now the question is this going to get the rail, or is this going to ride on the inside? What we want to watch. Okay, looks like it's going breaking through the rail. This one should grab the rail. That's what we need to get on down to the down there. Bump that in just a little bit. We haven't had a retracement yet. Okay, we are getting some separation. This is looking good here, though. Looking good here. The back band is turned down. Tighten that just a touch. Let's get our idea for the pullback. We do have the bulge here, but we don't really have a good bulge there, and we're on the rail there. Look at this, we did grab the rail. Working nicely. Now we expect usually 3 or 4, so this should go ahead and turn down like this. Well, I can keep this right over there. All this is just mid-band slowdown. Okay, we are going to go ahead now that we came back down here to this. I'll go ahead and get us, because I want to see it break this bottom out. Just back up out of the way. See, we have the potential here for a double bottom. I want to see that bottom break. Okay, that's got a little gap here, but look at the strong strength on our back band there. This is looking very nicely here. Buyers seem to be in control of the market. Go ahead and drop this bottom out. Good strength here so far. All right, now this keeps looking better. Got that one pierced through. You want to see this grab on the rail and another 2,000 ticks. I'll have us heading on down. Now look how this is coming up here, but we've just been going sideways. I think we can get here and we can pop on down. Now I'm only at the 61, but that's okay. If it wants to come get me out, then I'll just take the opportunity to take another short. Okay, so this is our little retracement here. Now we can start to push on down to the 38 at a 50% retracement. This also is really favorable for it. Look how this is underneath here, above here. Interesting picture there. Really keeping my eye on the MACDs of the 1597 there. Watching that more so than I am any price. Alright, let's go ahead and get right in there behind that. Okay, this is working well. Now what this is going to do, this bottom band is going to come down like that. Now this one, see, we're going to be off of it for a little bit here. But this will go ahead and curl down and this BB will come in. And meanwhile, this guy will do like that. While that's happening, this needs to go ahead. Oops. This kind of needs to come on down like this, and the BBs need to stay outside of it. Okay. Alright. The other thing that is happening that's good, this is getting back outside the band here. Needs to come on down. This guy needs to just keep pressing down. Okay. Okay, we've had another BB there. Now we've got some separation. We need to go ahead and get this needs to come on down. Go sideways a little bit here. This double bottom area. Thinking about taking a little bit off. Well, let's see. Let's see what it's going to do right in here. I'd like to see it break to 1230. Good. Okay, that's good there. That's doing exactly what it needs to do there. Now heading down to the 50. Nice in shape there. Good shape here. I bring this in. Okay, so look at the line that I drew and look how the Bollinger Band really is going that way. Alright, that's all good. The other thing which makes this a nice morning so far is that we do have that coming down. Grab the rail. Good to go. We've even grabbed the rail on the 6K chart. And a 10K chart, I got to bring this one in. 10K chart has a beautiful bulge. Looks like a nice foot. So, with that being the case, this thing can go quite a bit more. But obviously a 10K chart's a long ways off, so we're going to manage it with the others, but that is a nice warm and fuzzy feeling. Okay, so we got the separation on the 610. 987 was bumping into the top band there. This is kind of stayed along the bottom band. It's all good signs for pushing on further down. There we go, we're breaking through. So you can go ahead and get on down now, like it's doing. Let this guy get down below. Get that rail, and we'll go ahead and hit our target. There's our first target filled. Let's see if we can get on to the next one. Alright, right here behind that one. Lock it in and I'll be back. Alright, well, we've got a pretty good pullback coming. Didn't really have much separation here. We did have some. This one was riding along the inside of the rail here. No real separation here. This is just getting zigzaggy. If I push it down a little bit, zigzagging inside. Okay, looks like we went to the 61. Now, we're starting to lose the advantageousness of the 2584. And before I started the video back, I was going to say, well, we had gotten through the mid band on the 4181, so it was turning into resistance. But now I think I may have overplayed this one. Still is a lot of down in the bigger charts though. 6K MACDs look good. Down like that. But I gotta remember there's a lot of wiggle room in these MACDs as far as what price can do. Alright, well, with that being said, quite a bit of strength here. This guy's just coming. Tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and take that one out. Alright, works for me. Not a bad day. got done a few minutes after I wanted to be. 9:10 I finished up and calling it quits. So thankful for this, and tomorrow is another day, a day that I will not be looking at the market. Taking a break. Be back on Friday. Thanks for watching.